Hello everyone. Today I'm here to talk to you about the maths phenomenon of 2D and 3D shapes found in the yard of our school. This activity is based at your class of grade 1 and grade 2, so you are all 6 to 8 year olds. This is a culture-based activity because we are looking at man-made features in the school environment that have been made, and we are also looking at shapes of nature things such as trees and gardens and all that sort of stuff too. So it is a bit of both. Okay, to get our minds thinking, to start off, you all went around in a group of 5 and you all went around the school and took photos of the different shapes that you found in the schoolyard. So here are a few examples of what we have found. We have found a basketball, which is a sphere shape, which is a 3D shape. We've got the bricks off the brick wall of the main building, which show rectangles. We've got a cone, and these cones are in the teachers' car park, and they help all the teachers park their cars, and there are lots of these in the car park, which we've found, which are also 3D shapes. We have found also the oval, and the oval is our footy oval, which is at the back of the school. And this is obviously an oval shape, so it's very good. And this one we have found in the classroom. This is also a very good shape. This is a cube, and a cube is a 3D shape. And we have found this one in the classroom with all the toys that we have. So this is very good too. It's good that we both have a mixture of 2D and 3D shapes. It shows our understanding, which is great. So next, what we have done is we've all worked together to make a graph. So you have all brought your photos inside and we have looked at different shapes of what they are. And what we have done is we've made a massive, awesome graph which shows the shapes that we have found in the schoolyard. So let's take a quick look at this graph that we have made. So at the top we have the graph of the 2D and the 3D shapes found in the schoolyard. We've got rectangles where we have found over 30. So we've got ones that we have found in the teacher's car park. We've got ones that we have found on the bricks of the main building. We've got, what else do we have? We have a cylinder which we found on the playground. The slide that we use is a cylinder shape. We've got lots of spheres. They're all from basketballs, tennis balls, dodgeballs, all that sort of stuff that we use to play with. We've got a, let's see, we've got the oval, which is the footy oval, which we took a really nice photo of. And we've also got triangular prisms, which are the roofs of all the buildings that we have in the school. So what we've done is we've got both our lines, we've got our X line and our Y line, and we have measured how many we've got, and we have also put down the bottom on the side here the name of the shape that we have found, and we've measured how many we have got. And this graph is to guide us. It's to guide us, to help us with our diagram of the school, which we have all worked together as a team, and we have collaborated as a group and worked really hard to compare our ideas and share ideas of one another to make the final project of the school diagram, which is great. And this is our school diagram that we have made as a group. It is very colourful and it is really nice to look at, and it's definitely going to be hung up in the room. Now, as you can see guys, you've all taken part in this, which is really awesome. You should all be really proud. You've got a cube for the school office building, which you have found as a group. You've got triangular prisms as the roofs that you have found in the school on the buildings. You have the cylinder slide on the playground, which you have put in here. You've got a massive rectangle which shows the basketball court, which is really, really great. The oval up the top here, and lots of other shapes and lots of other buildings and different things that we have put in throughout the school. This is really, really great. and it's really colourful, and you've all worked together to make a beautiful drawing and diagram of the school. Now, finally, if we were going to maybe change this activity in the future and we were going to do something a little bit different to extend on this, we could look at different shapes. So look at more maybe 3D shapes, maybe more 2D shapes, and make the school diagram that we have made here, make it a little bit different next time. So maybe we could, go out as a group together and find different shapes and make the school differently. Also, with other shapes that we have found, you can look at the edges, you can look at the faces, you can look at the corners, you can look at all that stuff and count how many there are as well. So, today, with the curriculum that we always do our lesson plans to, it has supported maths as a topic because we have looked at graphs. We have gone around the school and found different shapes. We have drawn different shapes to make our diagram of the school, which is just perfect. We have also done physical and health education. So that is where we've been outside, we've been as a group, we've been running around, we've been walking around as well, we've been taking photos, which is really good. We've looked at technology, so ICT, which is really, really good because we've had our cameras and we've all taken turns to take photos of the different shapes that we have found in the schoolyard. And finally, we have also looked at communication as a group and sharing ideas. So, constructivism. So we've all worked together as a team and we've learnt off each other as a group, which is really good, which will extend our learning because everyone is learning differently from other people's ideas, which is really great. So well done, guys. I was really happy with the way that everything turned out, and I really hope that you enjoyed the activity. And hopefully next time, if we do it again, we can extend on this activity and change it. Thank you.